Hello students, so welcome in our class, all of you, and have a nice day, have a good day. Okay, so now today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 15, and in this chapter's name is pair of lines and transversal line. Okay, so this is a different one. I discuss it later, and now we are discuss pair of lines. Pair of lines means you have to write that lines is it parallel or not. Okay, two parallel lines. If this and this, these are parallel lines. These are not parallel. Okay, because they cut in any point. Okay, suppose that this and this, these are parallel or non-parallel? Parallel lines. Very good. These are parallel lines. So give example of parallel lines in our daily life. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. Banks of river. This is an example of parallel line. Banks of river. Okay. Next one. Any example of parallel lines? Yes. Think. Hurry up. Yes. Railway lines. What is this? Railway lines. These all are examples of parallel lines. And parallel lines are those which go together and never intersect. Never intersect. Okay? Never intersect means किते भी एक दूसरे को कट नहीं कर दिया. ओके, कहीं भी किसी भी पॉइंट पे एक दूसरे को कट नहीं करेंगी. सो दिस इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ पैरेलल लाइंस. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ डायग्राम एंड टेल मी विच लाइंस आर पैरेलल. सो लाइक दिस. यस, ए बी सी डी E. So parallel lines in this triangle. This one. Parallel lines of this triangle is this one. So name of this line is DE. And name of this line is BC. And what is the symbol of parallel? These. These two lines is the symbol of parallel. So what do you read it? DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. Is it okay? And any other pair in this diagram which are parallel? Yes, find it. No pair is parallel other. Okay, only one pair is parallel, that is DE parallel BC. Okay, and this is the symbol of parallel lines. Is it clear, students? Okay, so now I am going to draw another diagram. In this, you also tell me which are parallel. Yes, in this, A, B, C, D. So which are parallel? Yes, AB and CD. AB parallel CD. AB parallel CD. And AD. AD is also parallel to BC. AD parallel BC. Is it okay, students? Clear, all of you? Okay. Thank you. So now we are going to discuss in another diagram. Take and you give me an answer which are parallel. So like the diagram is here. Yes. Is it okay? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F. So here in this diagram, three lines are parallel. A, B, C, D, E, F. So how we write it? A, B parallel C, D parallel E, F. Okay, and BC parallel AD. BC parallel AD. CF parallel DE. CF parallel DE. Okay. So students, in one diagram we have more pairs of parallel lines. Okay. It doesn't mean that in like triangle we have only one pair of parallel lines. No. This is depends upon diagram. So in this diagram we have 1, 2, 3 pairs of parallel lines. Is it okay? Clear? So now I am going to discuss a new topic for you, that is transversal lines. That is transversal line. So what is transversal line? This one, this one. A, B, C, D. This is a parallel line. And this is a transversal line. दोनों को काट कर रही है ना. This line, this is called the transversal line. So in transversal line, this line makes so many angles with these lines. So write the name of that angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it okay? So now I am going to write the name of angles. Firstly I am write exterior angles. Exterior angles. Exterior angles, that outside. These two angles and these two angles, these are exterior angles, and you write angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. Is it okay? And same we write interior angles. Interior angles, that is inner side of the diagram. Inner side 3, 4, 5, 6. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Okay. And next one is alternate angles. Alternate angles. Alternate means that are in opposite side. They sit opposite side. 3 and 5, 4 and 6. 3 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6. Is it okay, students? And now we are write alternate exterior angles. These are interior. So alternate exterior 2 and 8, 5, 1 and 7, because this is a line. This angle opposite to this angle opposite to this angle. Okay, students? So revise these angles very carefully. And today homework is this. You have to revise all these angles. Firstly, you draw the diagram on notebook. Draw these angles, indicate it, and write down all types of angles. Is it okay? Thank you.